Okay, so this is the last video. See, I'm about to respond to your question. With regards to question number 4, find a polynomial with a degree of 3 with real coefficients and zeros of -3, -1, and 4, for which f of -2 is equal to 18. I see why you had problems with this, because what you needed to do was to first find the coefficient of the entire equation. So I saw that you got the answer, this answer. Where is it? I saw that you got f of x cubed minus 13x minus 12, I believe. Don't have that many hands to go back and confirm that. But what you needed to do was to find the coefficient and then multiply it throughout by the equation. Reason why you probably had problems finding this before was based on the first problem that we did, where we had to find the coefficient. You have to look at the general form or the standard form. Every polynomial has a in front of it, and that a can also represent 1. All right, so let's go back to the beginning, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. So first of all, with the zeros, -3, -1, and 4. So I worked it out here for you. So for the -3, 0, it's really x plus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to -3. So that's how we got the first one. Same thing we do for the -1. X plus 1 equals 0, x equal to -1. And above there, you saw x minus 4 equals 0, x equal to 4. So we have our 3 equations for the zeros. So you see there, x plus 3, x plus 1, and x minus 4. Now, what we need to do is to solve for a, because this is what the equation looks like now. The equation now looks like, what should look like, f of x is equal to a and the 3 different zeros. Okay, so now we need to solve for a. And they gave us a vital piece of information. What they told us was that in this specific equation, when you substitute -2 for x, you should get 18. So this is a good way to solve for a. We need this information in order to solve for a. So what we do now, what I did here, as you see, is I made 18. F of x is 18, so therefore f of x is equal to 18. I put my a in, and I substituted -2 everywhere I saw x. Let me turn the page. Or did I do it here? Yes, or it's on this one. So what I eventually got was, you see the substitutions there. And as you go down further, I got a is equal to 18 divided by 6, which gave me a is equal to 3. So the coefficient here should read 3, and then all the equations or the zeros that we found, which looks like this. F of x, 3 by x plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 4. All right. To finish it off, we multiply, because the answer is really what we just got, the 3 by the different factors, but they seem to want it written out in a polynomial form. So that's fine. What we do is we multiply all the factors. So I did that and I got this, which is what you got, I believe, x cubed minus 13x minus 12. And then you multiply it by a equals 3. So because f of x 3, you see how it went through there? You got all of that. And so when I multiplied what I got here, because I already did the hard work up here, I just said f of x is equal to 3 by that entire equation to the degree of 3. And so I get 3x cubed minus 39x minus 36. All right, Sierra, good luck with your test. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.